Good morning, good morning, good morning. Sorry, I was writing the gappers. Good morning, Venkat. Good morning, Jofi, Alvanar, Zach. There you are, John again. John has joined the Discord. In case you guys didn't recognize that was him yesterday, Zach and Andres and Mersa and you guys. That was Johnny Met. Hold on, do what do you want? You need to do help Vero go? What? What? I thought I was going crazy. I thought I was half asleep still. Oof. Do what you need to do to help Vero go for me. Oh, you're in it already? You're in on VRU already? Wait, there's Vero. Bro, don't tell me you're writing this thing from like 10 bucks. Okay, okay, okay. Vero popped up to 14. Dang, that's a nice little pop on that one. 1468. On YouTube, good morning, 5 Pound Fisher. Good morning, Henster K and Austin Lewis. What's up? What's up? Crypto Eye, good morning, John CLSK and Sophie. Let me look at Sophie. And then CLSK. I think I just deleted that one off my list. Oh no, I didn't. I really thought NVTA was going to gap up even more overnight. I'm surprised it didn't. I thought this thing was going to be up to like 10, 12, 13, $15 today. I legit thought that. Hold on, hold on. I'm reading this. All right, sorry. I was answering a DM, and I don't know if you guys. I'm just gonna say it out loud. I'm not gonna say who it was from, but since I do stream free, guys, you do not need to buy the membership to Tradecaster. So Tradecaster, it's like I don't know how much it is, 80, $90 a month, maybe $100 a month, and you get to watch the streamers here. But that is for everybody that charges. I don't charge for mine, so mine is free. So you just sign up to Tradecaster. You don't even put your credit card. You don't even put anything else in, and you can watch me on Tradecaster. Now, whenever I do go paid, which I really honestly have no idea when I'm gonna do that. I like you guys for now, and I know if I go paid, I'll lose a lot of you guys. So when I do go paid, I think he's going to give me a link that you guys can sign up to Tradecaster.com. Now, once I do give you that link, you can watch anybody, right? You can watch all of Sean's videos. You can watch all of AK-47, whoever else is paid. You can watch everybody now, as long as well as me. But if you sign up to Tradecaster with my link, that basically is saying that you joined Tradecaster to watch me. So even if you sign up with my link and watch me for 3 minutes a day, but then watch Sean for 2 hours a day, then technically you signed up with my link and that goes to me. But down the road in the future, not for now. All right, let's see. The RCT is at rocket stock. Okay, let me look at the gappers. We got 10 minutes. I got time, but I need my music first. Why is my music not playing? I need my music first. Let me make sure my desktop audio is turned off. It is. What a crazy move on NVTA, guys. Yesterday, if you guys were not, I kept trading a little bit, but if you guys are not in the Discord, you have to join the Discord. Zach rode that thing up for 100%. Lang on the Discord yesterday rode it for another $1.50 in the last buzzer beater 5 minutes of the market. Where's my music at? Come on, man. Yeah, Zach. Okay, this look at my chart right here. Look at my chart right here. This is NVTA. Zach bought right here in this pullback. That's actually where I bought too, and I sold it. But he held through all this. He held through all this. He held through all this. And I'm pretty sure he got out somewhere through this move here, maybe. Maybe higher, maybe lower, I don't know. But look at all this thing. Bro, if I see this, I would have sold. Look at this guy. Bro, he held through all this, through all that, through all this, bro. That's insane. Okay, I gotta look at the gappers. I got 9 minutes. You hold the gapper. 560. Oh, even higher. Even higher. He sold it way up here. Dude, that's insane. All right, now let's look at the gappers because I have not. So DRCT, DRCT. Let's look at DRCT. High of 3.9. Okay, looks like we already broke this high here. We have a high of 549 on the daily. What's before that though? What is this? 473. What is this over here? 434. 436-ish. And then this right here, 381. That's exactly where we are. And then the $4 where we are at now. So let's mark that high of 3.9. Let's mark that 4. And then after that, we already got my top resistances all the way up to a new high, which is 549. So looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. DRCT. What is the float on this thing? 2 million. Oh my god, this thing about to go flying. Zach about to write this all the way up to 10 bucks. VCSA. High of 4.6. What is this? High of 4.6. Okay, also making a nice little move. 200 moving average up to 650. Also has some room. Also has some room. Also has some room. You got to get over some of these pivots. Hold VWAP. Create a nice little flag. Ride that thing all the way up. Let's see. MTTR. My cost basis for the year is 15 Million LL, do y'all know yours? Your cost basis for the year. What the heck is that? Good morning, Morte. Good morning, Jims. What do you mean the cost basis for the year? Okay, we got MTTR. MTTR also looking nice. High of 636. Oh, on all my trades total. How do you check that, bro? I guarantee you I think it's so high. Okay, this one has 11,200 moving average at $11, and right now we're sitting at 636. 656 looks strong. What is this up here? 759 looks strong. And then almost 950. Okay, so we got our resistances on this one too. Bro, the way Zach has been so patient literally is making me rethink my whole day trading strategy. Like, I'm literally about to just buy a stock and literally put a break even stop loss on it. And one of these days, I'm going to catch one for $10 a share. And just that in itself, with like 5 or 10,000 shares, is going to make me like 100K. Okay, we got KTTA. This one does not look good. VRU. This one, Zach's already in it, I think. This one, we still have a high of 18.4. And then we have a strong resistance on this thing at like 1650-ish. VLDR was one from yesterday that's still on my side chart, and it's making a nice little move today. It looks like volume's finally picking up on it. GWAV, whatever this is, GWAV. I mean, it looks okay-ish, but it looks like volume has died on this one, so I'm just gonna put an alert on this one and keep an eye on it. Sophie, this one was John's call out. Just short 500 paper shares of VRU from 14.25 to 14 for a quick $100. It was a pullback that went down to 13.8. Nice, nice. HLBZ running. I'll check that one out. Check out the 5-day chart on VRNA. It might give us a play at some point later. VRNA. VRNA 5-day chart. Yep, slowly grinder. Back up to almost $14. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. CLSK. CLSK also made a high yesterday. What's up, Kevin? DRCT, I see it. CLSK. CSK 200 moving average. All of these plays are like 200 moving average, below 200 moving average. I remember last year when I was trading in summer, everything was above 200 average and everything was making all-time highs. Like these stocks were like in this move over here. Oh wait, you can't see it. Like last summer, everything instead of breaking 200 moving average, we were way above 200 average and making all-time highs on all of these stocks. And now it's like they're so beaten down that we're all squeezing them out of. Yeah, I see VRNA. I see VRNA. I'm gonna put it on my side chart. CLSK also not bad. And then VRNA, I'm gonna put it on my side chart. At least that's what it feels like. Alright, so I got DRCT on watch. I got VCSA on watch. I got MTTR on watch, which that one looks like it wants a high already. But I'm going to be patient again. I'm liking these bigger dip buys, 5-minute patient plays. I love the breakouts. Just made new pre-market highs here. I was going to say I feel like 90% of the stocks we trade are all dead cat bounces. Yeah. Not gonna lie, I'm at a loss for words. I talk crap typically when I lose money, and yet you're still nice one. Again, I apologize. Kevin, I mean, I'm nice to everybody, man. I'm nice to everybody. Appreciate you apologies, Kevin, and appreciate you coming in here, man. Appreciate you coming in here watching every day. Even if you talk crap, sometimes it makes me laugh. Sometimes I'm like, you know what? He might be right. Some of these plays you just buy in pre-market and you can hold them all day, man. and you would be banking. So I do agree with you. Good morning, DXB Jamie. But thanks for apologizing, Kevin. That's awesome. But so breakouts are fun. I love breakouts. But I really am thinking that just for me to be able to capitalize and make big money, I need to get some bigger day plays or buy a breakout and hold them. You know, not just buy the breakout and sell on the other side. Buy the breakout, put a stop loss, let it run. I don't know. I'm trying to figure something out, guys. I am not a professional day trader, and we're all trying to figure it out, and we're all trying to get to six figures. So we're trying things out. We're about to go live here in 20 seconds. Here we go. Probably going to be looking at DRCT. Looking at DRCT, VCSA as well. MTTR never broke that high, so that one's pretty close. VRU is dropping. Yeah, John, yesterday I traded all day, and I kid you not, I walked away on NVTA, like, for real, mornings have been boring. So, NVTA, look, yesterday, looks like MTTR wants a high, hold on. MTTR spiking to new highs. Where does this thing want to go? 650, or is it going to die off of volume here? I really don't want to buy the first 1 minute candle above bin, so I'm going to let this thing do its... I'm going to let that one squeeze without me. On NVTA yesterday, I legit sat here all day long. And I was like, you know, I made some money. I actually finished greener yesterday than when I got off. And I think I walked away. I was like, you know what? I'm done. This thing is not going to keep going. Somewhere through this, like somewhere through here. And then this thing forms the biggest 5 minute flag, another 5 minute flag, and then a 5 minute flag down here. I was like, are you kidding me? So I missed all of those. MTTR, this is why I do not want to chase the first 1, 2, 3 minutes of market open unless it's a clear trade. KTTA spike up. KTTA spike up, okay. I also, I was going to say I also see DRCT, but then I looked over and it was all red now. VCSA as well, big spike up. VCSA is straight up going for high of day already. This thing out of the gate started running. Yeah, Beat was calling this one out. I see it, I see it. VRU recovered and held that $13, $14 pivot. Oh, you bought that bottom, Mersa? Actually, MTTR is curling back up. MTTR looking strong now. And VRU also had a very nice recovery on VRU, so I'm gonna look at VRU. Sniper Trades. Good morning, Sniper Trades. No. MTTR did rip. I guess we could have taken that bounce of pre-market high. Dang it, we missed that one. The RCT's bleeding out. Yeah, I see it. MTTR, this could have been the play. Morning, Juan. On my holidays in Spain, trading on my laptop. Oh, awesome, man. That was a nice little bounce again. Hope you're having a good day. Appreciate it, man. Hope you have a fun vacation. VRU keeps climbing, wants to get a new high of day. VRNA also John's call out. It's still kind of climbing. Wants to a little bit. VRU, a new high of day. $15 would be next. Previous high was 1460 something. Absolutely no pullback to it though. Straight up grinded through that and kept going. $15 break. That's two stocks. Nice clear. Yeah, I didn't get a single pullback at all. The only one I saw was here, but you know what I'm looking at now? MTTR, and see if we get. Oh well, we already got it. Never mind. I did not see that on the 5 minutes. I wanted a 650 retest, and I was looking at the 5 minutes the whole time waiting for it, and I guess it happened within the first 5 minute candle that I didn't see it. Dang it. That kind of sucks. That sucks. I wanted this thing at 650, and I was looking at the 5 minutes. So I was looking at this on the side chart, and I was like waiting for it to pull back to 650 down and touch that line, and then I went to the 1 minute, and then it broke it and retested it within that one, so I never saw it. VRU 1 minute flag back down to 1468. I do like that. That's kind of the MTTR play. Same thing. I don't know if this one's getting kind of stuffed though. Look at that tweezer top. No trades for me still. I'm just waiting patiently. If anything on VRU down to 15 now would be a trade. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3. Sniper trades, no trades yet? You didn't take any of the half-dollar, whole dollar breaks on this one or MTTR? Where's BRU? Still has that 18.4 high. Bro, why is everything now like going without a pullback? It's just the luck of the market, Bren. We try for breakouts, no breakouts. We try for pullbacks, no pullbacks. No, I know we'll get it. I'm being MTTR finally gonna pull back, but that, I mean, kind of getting stuffed, right? I think maybe. I see VLDR coming back, but that's maybe a lower volume play. Well, I mean, look at, we kept saying this thing is already up $2 a share from when we opened on VRU. How is this possible? Just be patient. Jofi is on VRU from 1508. There we go. Bro, this thing is ripping. It's halted too. I had never thought 1637. I'm looking on the daily. The 16 on, oh yeah, 1630. Well, it's very close. It's like 1640s, 45 almost. Andres is also on this thing. Andres is up $1,000 a share on that trade too. Yeah, it's like 1640, 41. And then there goes MTTR again. Yeah, no pullbacks on that crypto. I missed it too. It's okay. Morte, $300 paper profit. Okay. MTTR 675 pivot. Jofi, where you at, Jofi? All right, so MTTR also trying to rip. MTTR also trying to make a little run because of VRU up to $7. NVTA halted down. I was hoping NVTA would. It's back down to $5. Dang, that sucks. DRCT kind of holding that low down there, almost of 340s. This thing halted at 39.19, so it'll be unhalted at 44.19. TTOO. TTOO. 200 moving average at 39 cents. TTTOO pulling back, but I could see a pivot from pre-market highs at 25, but I don't know. VRU does have a high of 18.4 on the daily, and if this thing keeps going strong, I would not be surprised if it go all the way up to there. The strong resistance was 1650, 1640, and we just blew past that thing. To me, that's the strong place where resistance was. Oh, current open is 1590. How the heck did that happen? There goes MTTR as well. Break of 7. There's $7 on MTTR. MTTR pivot was 650s. MTTR, if it goes back down to that 672s, yeah, that 672, 675-ish, that would be a nice pivot for $7 break. I'm just hoping we don't break it here though. I hope we don't break it here, and I hope we don't get stuffed hard. Like, I just want a nice little pullback down. Actually, I do need this 5-minute candle to close here though. On MTTR, I'm looking at 672-ish pivot. 17.3 hit VRU. VRU spiked up to 17.3. Hopefully you guys were able to sell on that spike. That's a big ask here on MTTR. I saw 390 orders, 400 orders at $7. Okay, now we're looking for this pullback. Pull back all the way. Give us even like 675. This thing won $7 already. Oh my gosh. No pullbacks on anything today, man. VRU opening this minute. Oh, I saw that. Yeah. Yeah, we're only 15 minutes in, but I don't know. Sometimes I feel like not getting that break and pulling back to get that break would be better, as opposed to break, failing, weakness, and then pull back. But I don't know. I still like the pullback to 670s. Besides this one, though, I'm not seeing anything else. I see AMC and Momentum Scanner, VRU kind of tucked below that 1641, so that daily chart is definitely helping there. It's that strong resistance. This was a nice pullback here. Even that pre-market retest or this pullback here of 654 was not watching it. I saw Riot and Mara, so maybe something with crypto stuff. DRCT still holding lows, kind of 340-ish. Well, kind of tucking below it now. Is VRU gonna give us another trade, a 5-minute setup? Aren't you holding some Bitcoin at Ape Trades? Riot has been on a nice climb up from like $4. You have 2 Bitcoins, nice. BNGO. BNGO making a nice VRU back up. You have 5 Bitcoins, CryptoWire? What the heck? You've been in it since 2017. That's incredible. Holy crap. VRU is going for 18.4. If it dips down to that... Why is my Thinkorswim frozen? You're still in VRU, Jofi. Good job. Guys, I need to learn some patience off of you guys. You guys are incredible. This is going to be the next 5 minute candle on VRU. And honestly, if I get that 1641 again, I will go in on VRU at 1641. That was that daily level. Cryptos will grow. That's exactly what I did for the when I first started seeing her on YouTube. Trying to catch a nice little bit of a flush here on VRU. Back down to that 1641. Well, I wanted more. I wanted more. MTTR is still climbing. BNGO busting. Oh my god, I see it now. A little bit of a flush here to 1641, and I will add on VERU. Just making a nice 5 minute candle on the 5 minute time frame. So taking small ads. Dang, BNGO is ripping again. Looks like I need to be looking at BNGO. Holy crap. Okay, well, I put a stop loss on that thing. I'm going to look at BNGO. BNGO is squeezing people up to $4. I'm not going to lie, though. I'm not giving myself enough room on VRU. You son of a. Mm. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. You have to be kidding me, man. I had that entry down there, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna put a stop loss and look at BNGO, and I get stopped out and then rips up. Well, I hope you guys took that and was a little bit more patient than me. Okay, I'm gonna look at BNGO. Looking for a $4 break on BNGO. Here's a $4 break. Maybe $4 will hold as support as well. I did take a sniper trace type entry on this thing at 391 break. Okay, this was a nice little play here. See, I am not patient enough. I start seeing profit. I start taking my money out. Is this halted now? Holy crap, man. I'm stuck in a hold with 800 shares. Bro, I feel like Andres over here. Holy crap. I feel like Andres over here, bro. You were trying to let VRU run? Dude, VRU, I had the perfect entry. That 1650, 1648. Put a stop loss at break even, and then you would be right in this thing right now. But BNGO, I am stuck in this halt with 800 shares in this thing. Halt, bro. Halt your shit. I know. That's why I was like, bro, I look like Andres over here. Okay, but this thing, where's this thing gonna head to? Ooh, we have a high of $6.28 on the daily. MTTR. Did MTTR have a? Oh, it had a flush down to 7 though. Okay. Is anybody else stuck in this halt with me on BNGO? Juan, you ever consider going full-time options? Probably not, because options you cannot trade these stocks. For options, I have to trade the big caps, right? Large caps. And honestly, if I was to do that, I'd basically have to relearn strategies, right? Because I really think that TTTO nice. Oh, TTTO, that 25 pullback that I had, holding nicely. Hey Jofi, please tell me BNGO resumption is like $5. All right, so this was a kind of different trade. I took this sniper style trade. This high was 389 right here, and I was like, okay, 389 might be a nice pivot, but if 389 breaks, the 10 cents is going to be 390. So I was like, you know what? If 390 breaks, if 391 breaks, that might give me that move to $4. So I put my entry at 391 actually. Bro, you busy in VRU? You got it from like $15, Jofi. I'm hoping this thing plays out. I don't even know if I should keep my stop here under 4 or let it just run right after. Because sometimes they spike down, could stop me out and then run. So I might take it out. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave a stop under 4 or no stop and let it open up and do its thing? VRU, man. I'm kicking myself. I'm kicking myself. I'm kicking myself. I'd be up 1 point. I'd be up over $1,000 on VRU right now. I'd be up over $1,000 on VRU right now. I bought it at 1648, 1650. No, 16 like 54. Wait. AMRS. I didn't see it. A lot of times I don't see your messages, guys. It's not because I'm trying to ignore you or because I don't like that stock. I was in the middle of VRU and then, okay, AMRS up to $4 too. Tipped $4. Kirian, did you jump in when I bought it? Did you jump in down here on that pullback, Kirian? Okay, I have to watch BNGO though now. BN I was in before that. Oh, my B, Kirian, my B. I forgot you're the cool one here. I forgot you got the fast hands. You probably bought it at like 14 bucks. You probably bought it at Kirian bought it at 13.70. That's Kirian's price. He bought it at 13.70. I'm just kidding. BNGO halted at 56.42 and it's 9.33. So at 9:01, 9:01.42. MTTR ripped for new high. MTTR looking for 750. MTTR looking for 750. Nice, maybe nice pivot here. Frick, I would take this trade if this goes there. Pull back to that 737 ish for the 750 break. I would take this trade here. I can't take that. BNGO is about to unhalt. Gosh dang it, man. Let's see if that one would have played out though. VRU retested $17 and then back up. Okay, wait. I guess I'm gonna take my stop off. So writing BNGO and seeing how high this thing wants to go. VLDR also climbing to high of day. 401 resumption on BNGO? Nah. Nah. We can't do that. Oh, it was. Holy crap. Come on, keep ripping for me. I guess I'll put a... I was gonna say, I'll put a stop under $4. If I get stopped out, then that'll be it. But the one I hold, bro. What's up with all these halts flying and the one I hold? 390 pivot here again, maybe? That sucks. That is BS. That is BS. Somehow, every time I get stuck in a halt, are the ones that don't work. I have no idea. VRU though. Bro, VRU just wants 1840. There's no way this thing does not break 1840. That is so dumb on BNGO, man. I get the worst luck in the stock market, I swear. Looking at $18 break on VRU. You got back in on VRU at 1710. That was a nice pullback, yeah. Nice. Good job, Ape Trades. Brad Rogers gonna go ahead and go. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. VRU, maybe 1750 pivot down here. VRU looks to be getting heavy, but looking for the break of 18 and then 1840 new high. Nice pivot here at 1746, I think. Also kind of at an uptrend, I think. Ah, that's so annoying, man. Are we seeing flags on which one? TTOO and then MTTR. MTTR down to 7 could be nice. VRU down to 17 could be nice. But this thing is looking pretty heavy now. I think I just missed all my pivots though. That was just on MTTR. That last red candle had a lot of volume though. I could see $7 though. $7. MTTR. I'll try it down at like $7 ish. Yeah, I took a loss on VRU too. I had the good trade earlier, didn't let it breathe, and then this one I let it breathe, and then it stopped me out lower. Morte shorted it from 1759 down to 17. Nice. I'm watching MTTR, see if it wants to bottom out down here. At $7 and give us a small little bounce from 7. Okay, well I tried it a small amount and wow, this thing is having very slow fills. Man, Morty, you need to use your real account. So let's see. VRU 5 minutes. Retest this 1650 and I'll get in it. I think VRU is so heavy now though. No. MTTR broke. And then MTTR is still held at low. Good job, Jofi. Good job. FTCH. Are you still in on AMRS, John? Break of $4 still? Ooh, Bangio 5 minute flag. The only thing is, yesterday everything that spiked up like this failed. Let me see. Uh, and then VRU did turn around. VRU did turn around. Yeah, small losses add up. Tell me about it, because look at this. I took 2 or 3 losses on VRU and I'm down 500 on it. And then somehow the BNGO play, I was up 400 on it, and halt was resumption was terrible, so I dropped down to $100 profit. And then honestly on MTTR, my fills were so slow. You guys are trying that BNGO play 5 minute setup. VLDR. VRU has to get over 17. BNGO is bouncing. Good job on VRU, guys. I mean on BNGO. Good job. Instant 20 cents of profit there for you guys. VRNA, John, the one you mentioned this morning, is also popping up. Rambling Fool, I thought you were going to bank big on BNGO. I thought so too, man. Well, you guys that jumped in on BNGO are killing it. VRU is also bouncing again. VERU bouncing, taking out shorts because this thing was feeling heavy. Sellers popping. MTTR $7 is still holding. Pull down to 6.92, not even 10 cents, and still in that trade. BNGO climbing up again. Or still, I should say. VRU, very nice candle. Now pull back, what, to 17 maybe? BNGO, man. You guys that jumped in on BNGO, holy crap. 366, you guys jumped in on it. Y'all still holding? 418 high. This thing might break a high. BNGO, now it's my main watch. Maybe a retest of 4. I took a retest of $4. And now everything is flashing red. BNGO, I'm in at 402. I want to see this squeeze to high of day. I want to see BNGO squeeze through this level back up to high of day. Squeeze to high of day, hopefully. I have BNGO riding this thing up to high of day, hopefully. I have 3,000 shares left on this thing. I want to get this high of day break. It looks promising so far. I want this thing to accelerate here through high of day. 418, come on, there we go. Taking out, I have 2,000 shares left on this thing that I'm gonna let them ride. See if we get a nice squeeze to like 450 or something. Hey, little baby, I don't wanna lie. I know it's reply. Now I'm pulling a Zach. Now I'm gonna pull a Zach. And now I pull a Zach. Zach, where do I put my stop, bro? Help me out. Zach, where do I put my stop, bro? Help me out. Where do I put it? About to hit $1,000 on this trade here itself. $416. This stock did not help me out the first time. Now I want it to do it again. I want this thing to halt and resume higher or something. Do something, man. Give me a nice squeeze up to 450. Hold on. Don't take me out though. Don't take me out. I need to be patient. I'm risking. I bought it at. Alright, so I think that's a nice pivot, right? The 418 is a nice pivot. $418 has to be a nice pivot, right? Hey, what about VRU? Two 5-minute flags with low volume pulling back down to 17. Okay, now pivot. Work for me. Come on, BNGO. You screwed me up once already. There we go. There we go. There we go. Keep bouncing off that level. Keep bouncing off that level. Wow, look at VLDR. VLDR up to $2. Bro, you suck if you stop me out, bro. I'm gonna give it that 90 EMA, I guess. That's insane, bro. I don't get good luck. Holy crap, man. How does that happen? This is what pisses me off, bro. Every time that I don't take profit, it pulls down. Every time that I take profit, they fly like $5 a share, dude. And then watch, it's gonna bottom out right where my stop was, and then fly higher. Newbie question: why didn't you take profit and re-enter at pivot? I usually do. I usually do, but recently we've seen stocks that look at VLDR. We've seen stocks that are literally running $4, $5, $10 a share. Last 2 weeks, yesterday there was one that ran like $8 a share. You know, and if I have 1,000 shares and I can just ride one of these things for $4, $2, $3, $4, $8, you know, that's through $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $8,000, right? Zach did it yesterday. Zach did it yesterday. Zach rode one for like two or three, $4 or something like that. Andres Lang did it yesterday for $1.50. Andres, pretty sure rode some last week. Look at VLDR. Good job, Sniper Trace. And the perfect setups that take small size. Bro, I don't know. I mean, I got burned on VRU, so even though this is a $700 trade, VRU, I'm down 500 on this one. So it's a small green day now. Wait, what is halted? What's halted? It's hard, bro. I was waiting for you to take half on the way back. You need Olympia. What is that? Oh, PACB. What is Olympia? Holy crap, what is this? And then, of course, my luck, too, right? So, watch this stock right here that I'm not in, that I'm not halted. Watch, this thing is going to resume up here. And then the one that I was in, BNGO, right here, halted here, resumed and crashed. This right here, I was up $400, $500 into that halt. No, yeah, 400, I think, 380 or something like that. Right here. Resumes and pulls down and stops me out. $90 on that trade. BCAB also. Oh, BCAB also nice little pop. Oh, BCAB already ripped to highs. VLDR pulling away, but it already pulled back. On BNGO, the pivot could be 388, but I think it's kind of too low now. But looking at the 5 minutes, but this thing has, well, I mean, maybe 388 could be the pivot on BNGO. And MTTR has been consolidating this whole time. It feels like 11. It's hard, brother. I was watching. Yeah, I didn't take profit, but I knew what I was risking, and it was only a fifth of my position, so it's not like I risked a lot, you know. And I was way in profit still. Even down here, I think I stopped out. I think I stopped out here, which was still in profit because I took the trade at $4. So, looking at PCAB on resumption, PACB, sorry. Looking at PACB on resumption, seeing if this thing wants to continue higher. By the way, I put my volume back to the original one that I had because I think this thing is easier to see the quantity. I don't see the buying and selling, but I could see clear the quantity. The other one was kind of hard to tell. So I switched back to the normal one. Maybe BNGO does want to recover $4. Trying some ZY. No, we talked about VLDR. Oh, ZY. How'd you find this stock? You going to break even this week? TBLT. You're still in TBLT? I forgot. Ugh. Damn, that sucks. Okay, what time did this halt at? 9:25:38. So at 9:30:38. So about a minute left on this thing. Same as it closed. Stop loss didn't execute. What the heck? That sucks, Andres. MTTR has been consolidated. Oh, that pivot. Oh, but look at that volume though. On that last 5 minute, it's actually increasing. PACB should be live here in about 10, 20 seconds. 8 seconds. Holy, what the heck? What is happening with today's halt? Every halt today has been lower. How does that happen? What I really am curious now. What decides a halt level resumption? BNGO did bottom out there. BNGO back up. I think some of you guys were calling out the BNGO flag there, right? Yeah, Lang is in at 3. The RCT. Bro, the RCT is gonna flush. The RCT is gonna flush and tank. Juan trades. Took 2 trades today on BNGO. First one failed and got out. Break even next trade. Gave me a profit of 950 plus. I might sound like an old boring trader, but success comes from being patient and sticking to my trade plan. It works, man. And all of us may forget, so you're reminding us works. I know. I do like your the way you trade, being so patient and taking the trades, break even. I mean, not break even, stop loss and take profit in place. Just playing dirty now, BNGO. Yeah, that 5 minute chart looks terrible. This thing felt heavy on the way down. After this whole move here, it felt heavy. Like, this should have bounced higher and made another move. Kind of should have done this, flag here, and then ripped again. Or even flagged over high of day. That's why I had my pivot there. Flag there and ripped. But, I don't know. Maybe the market makers don't want us to make money today because BNGO resumed lower. VLDR, look at this. Straight up tank. PACB halt resumes like what, down $1 a share after a halt? Bro. Ape Trade's up $100. That's pretty good though. Shoot, even though I made a nice trade though, VRU killed me. And what sucks is VRU, I had the perfect trade again. VRU with you guys in the morning, I was calling it right here. This 1627 pivot, and I got in at 1650, 16.5, somewhere in there. And I stopped out right there. 1,500 shares. Up $1,300 on the month. That's still a good month, Vic. How do you get volume bar like that? I can't find it anywhere. This one? This is the normal volume one that comes with Thinkorswim. It's the regular one. It's the regular one. Bro, everything's tanking now. I need another chance at VNGO. BNGO 5 minute doesn't look the best now though. I will say, so be careful. I mean, it's kind of holding that 388 pivot, but this right here created a topping tail on the 5. And even this candle here has more volume now than that previous one. Bro, everything's selling off. OTLY. LTLY. Okay. He trade, bro. Oh, you want your first trade again? Hey, you always win. What were you saying about the volume? Are you talking about this volume here? Not as bad as Juan's Thinkorswim. Bro, if it's free commissions now and I'm trying to get these divot plays instead of fully breakout trades, I'll settle for this for now. Did you did get that answer? Always win? I forgot which I answered, way I asked because you replied yeah, so I forgot. And then Kevin, looking like all action comes after one. For real. Well, actually, we had some decent action today. I think we had some decent action. You want your volume? This is the normal volume. This is the one that comes on the actual Thinkorswim. So you go to settings and then go to, I think it's under equities, and then show volume. Here, it's this volume. And then I put it underneath, so under general, unclick that, because if you put that, it puts it on top. Look at MTTR. Juan, are you done with the daily recap videos? No, I'm not. I know I didn't do the last 2 days, but bro, they take some time, man. They take some time. I'll do them though. I was finishing some small details on the course, that's why. But I'll keep them up. I'll keep them up. I'll do one today. And sometimes I don't do them if it's like a super small day, right? Like I think day before yesterday I lost $140, and then I think yesterday I finished at like $300 or $400 profit. Look at MTTR trying to make a little comeback. MTTR, if this volume keeps up on MTTR, actually we need volume to come up. Clover, steady grinder. Hot. When I first started day trading, I was like, you know what? I don't want to trade the breakouts. I don't want to trade anything. I want to find these. How do I find these? How do I know which stocks are going to do these, right? How do I know? Do you just buy anything? Any of these, the slow grinder movers? And you just hold that thing. There's literally, you could put it underneath every candle stop, and you don't get stopped out. Like, you don't get stopped out. Here you got stopped out, but here, you don't get stopped out. Look at that. How do I find those? Oddly, it's kind of flagging up here. Did you guys think? Oh, actually, it just pulled back as soon as I said that. PACB. I'm not seeing anything obvious right now. How did the crypto stocks do? Oh, they've tanked. CryptoWire, sell your Bitcoin. Sell it. Sell it. It's pulling back. Oh, you got it. Always win. You got the volume. Awesome. PACB is kind of climbing back up. As a matter of fact, PACB had a perfect 5-minute flag. Holy frick, man. Why is it so hard to be patient and find all of these flags? There's a hat in my head. Bro, I always wear hats. My family always tells me I'm gonna go bald just because I wear hat like almost every day, dude. I'm serious. PACB trying to climb back up. I don't wear hats and I'm going bald. Maybe you need to wear hats then. Maybe the hats protect you from the sun and sun makes you go bald. I think that's it. I think that's the problem, bro. You gotta protect it. My grandma always says the same thing. PACB heading back up to that halt level. I'm looking at 1076 level. Took a quick trade on PACB through high of days. And I want to see if this thing... There we go. Standing out a full plan on PACB. Made a quick $200 on PACB. There we go. I'm in here too. I'm in this too, Kyrian. I got you, Kyrian. You make money, I make money. We both make money, Kyrian. We in this, boy. We in this, boy. Whew. Oh, should I have held my 1,000 shares that I bought at 1070? Oh my. Oh, what? I can't breathe. I can't breathe. $12 break. Bro, this is the one that I should have held. This is the one where if I would have just held my position, right? I bought it at 1070. I saw a pivot here. Where was it? This pivot right here. 1078. I bought it right here. 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares at 1078. Even where it's at right now, that's $1,000 right now. Actually, I capitalized pretty good. I capitalized half of the move, kind of, but. Let me see. 12 big level, then 1260. I'm holding 50 shares. Does that make a difference? Hey, Lang, you got the exact same entry? Lang got the exact same entry there. PACB, nice little pop here. I do see that next resistance, 1260. Andres looks like he took that. Who else took this trade here? I was not able to call it out real quick. But I did take that trade. Just look left, find a pivot, right? Looking at the 5 minutes, that's the pivot there. Small pullback to that area. I took that trade. Bro, you're doing the right thing. I wouldn't hold in this market. True. True, true, true. I might get out of this play. It's just 50 bucks. Or actually, you know what? I'm going to leave 50 shares. Let's see how high this thing wants to go. Pivot. Wow, man. Wow. You took some more at 12.15? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh. I had to just do it. I mean, I sold 10 shares. I'm controlling 50 shares. Dang, I missed out. This is the one that it's halted. You called it. Who called it? Who set the halt? Who called the halt? Who called this halt? Somebody said it. Lang. No, it's halted. Bro, this thing resumed $1 lower earlier, so I'd be scared of you holding a lot. 50 shares left? Okay, well, I got 40 shares left now, but dude, the thing is, this thing had a perfect 5-minute flag that none of us got. Or did somebody? Oh, it didn't halt. Now it halted. It's not halted. I always do that. I always do that. I remember that one time. I was like, it's halted. I threw my mic, and then I looked back. I was like, it's not halted. It's not halted. What's it called? Dude, look at this 5-minute flag that we all missed. Or did anybody jump on this 5-minute flag? That's what I'm saying. Nice sniper traits putting out his order there. Wait, you're saying resume is 1487? That's what I was thinking. I was like, this thing is probably gonna gap down. But CryptoWire just said 1487. No, 1330. Okay. Hey, that was a nice move though. That was a nice little mover there. Nice trade. Perfect pivot there. For that was a perfect trade. Yeah, good job, sniper trades. Good job, sniper trades. The flag is what we missed, guys. The flag is what we missed. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Zach, you didn't see this flag? Mersa, no flag. Ape Trades, no flag. They're the flag experts, or at least the ones that call it out, and I know. That was pretty cool, though. Pretty sad I missed it, dude. Me too. You take this with... It's beautiful. This was the flag that we needed to get. Good job, Sniper Trades. Well, are you still holding Sniper Trades? You posted your whole trade. Let me see. You made 1250 on this trade. Oh, you took the rest at 1250. I see it. John, are you in this thing too? We all. Wait, who is in this halt? I need a little hands up emoji. Who's in this halt? I need a little hands up emoji like this. 11.99 is where you bought. Oh dang, you bought up here. Muzi is in the halt. There we go. Muzi. Muzi. Are you a lurker, Muzi? I don't know that I've seen your name before, but nice, man. Hopefully this hold helps us out here. The higher it goes, the riskier it goes. John is in here. That's not the emoji I was thinking of. Isn't there an emoji with an actual person with their hand raised up like this? What did this halt at? 46.36. 46.36. I have 40 shares left. You know one thing I learned the hard way, guys? If you want to put a stop loss when a stock is halted, always check your active trader. I'm doing really good this month besides last Friday where I lost control, and that's okay. If you lost control, that's I always told myself if I lose control and I lose money, that's not trading, right? That was me gambling. So that's not actually trading. So it's almost like don't count it. The loss is there, the money is gone, but don't count that towards your trading, right? Just learn from it, but don't think that I traded bad because I took a bad setup. Well, yeah, you took a bad setup because you were gambling at that point. Um, One thing I do have to tell you guys because I learned this the hard way um, when you have a stock halted, and you know how I usually put my stops with active trader, right here it says limit. It usually says stop if you go under the price, and if you go over the price, it would say limit. But if you scroll down, even though it's under the price, it still says limit. So I think one time I did this, and it was halted, and I had like a big amount of shares, probably like 1,500, 2,000 shares into a halt, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna put a stop down here, and so whenever it on halts, I have a stop in place already in case it comes down. I don't want it to flush through me, so I put a stop, and I never realized that it said limit, and so that stock opened, and because it's a limit order, that means I don't want to sell anything. Um, this is the price that I want to sell it at, right? And so it opened, it sold my 2,000 shares, and then gapped up like $1 or something like that. Like it was a halt resumption that just kept going, and I was like, what just happened? And then I had to go back and watch my video is going lower. I had to go back and watch my replay, and that's what happened. It did resume lower. Wow. It's going to break a high, though. Maybe. There it is. I sold some at 13. Honestly, if I get $500 off this trade, I'm out. I'm out. $500.46. That is insane. That is insane, man. Is that what you wanted, John? Is that what you wanted, John? It's about time I get a decent day. Good job, guys. We killed that as a team. Oh, wow. I mean, no, it's only $700 profit. Dang. It's because I took that stupid loss on VRU, man. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. Awesome job on that one. It's because of this stupid VRU, and I had the right play. $700 is good, bro. Sega high of day. What the heck, Sega? Oh, Sega still has that high of 24.88. I was down 64 at the most, and now I'm up 14. Bro, John is saving his green streak, bro. I think John, the last 2 or 3 days, he was right on the day, and then he DM'd me. He was like, "Bro, I'm green," and I'm like, "Well, you saved this. You saved the streak." Watch VRNA. Oh, I took that one off my charts, honestly. But let me look at it again. Ooh, VRNA, VRNA. Today would be 8 straight. Okay, yeah, nice, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. And this VRNA. What was VRNA's high? 1469. This is looking pretty good. You're up 2200 on the day. I forgot about some calls on Neo like 2 days ago at $40 and they're at $100. I'm up 100% on those things. I'm about to sell them though. Yeah, everybody get that little go-to sniper trades, man. Little go-to sniper trades. Good job, sniper trades. Anybody on YouTube caught that PACB move or no? That's a great day, sniper trades. That's a great day, bro. Sniper trades, the Green Goblin. Hold on, I need to close this Neo call. Sorry. Made it quicker than a vine. Yes, sir. I'm up like on all my accounts today because I have other accounts. I'm up $6,000.75 with 52 cents. But this is like my long-term stuff. Made it quicker than a vine. Try to pick me up, but I climb. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Now I'm up pretty good on the day, right? $700. So now I'm gonna wait and find the good setups again. Give myself 100, 150, $200 to risk and see if I get another good play. Looking for the 5-minute setups. Wow, this thing still kept going. Pretty incredible. And whoever was asking me earlier, why do you want to hold the shares, right? Why do you want to just let them ride? This would have been a perfect example. Of course, is the one that I didn't. I mean, you guys know my luck in the stock market is the worst. But I bought them at 10.76. If I'd be holding now, I'd be up 10, 11, 12, $2,000 on this trade. Over 2,000. Oh, exactly 2,000 now. But obviously that's impossible. You always have to take profit. But I should have kept the runners longer. I think I was almost fully out here. Zach, are you holding ZY still? Has it hit your stop loss? Or you stopped out of this one? And John, I do like VRNA, but it's like grinding up slowly. Like grinds up slowly. Look at the 5 minute. It's 4 5-minute candles, and this thing's barely moved. Well, actually, it's moved a lot because it's a big range, 1180 to 1240. That never mind, that's a lot. Could be nice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, back through everything. DRCT. Look is losing their account balance. Ape trades. Look is losing their account balance. Unless they sold there, but I guarantee you this guy's waiting for a high of day. BCSA. BCSA. BCSA had a nice pivot. MTTR broke downtrend. MTTR broke downtrend. It did. Oh, I had a $23 loss on this stock. It did break downtrend. $100 loss, Vic. If you're getting frustrated, Vic, call it, man. If you're getting frustrated, call it or walk away at least for 30 minutes. I did that last week. Last week I had my biggest loss of the year, down 3,500 bucks, and I walked away. I came back and made a pretty good chunk of it back. And last week, even though that was my biggest loss, it was almost a break-even week. Try to take a $12 dip on PACB. PACB. Oh, that's extended, man. I see what you're saying, but oh, it's halted down. This thing is. Please tell me you got out though. Did you get out, or are you stuck in this halt down? MTTR. Let me see. Oh, MTTR. That was a. Okay, good job, Vic. Did anybody join Andres' call on MTTR break downtrend? That was Andres, right? Oh no, Jofi. My bad, my bad, my bad. Jofi. Jofi called out break a downtrend right here on MTTR. Econ 1350 hit the target. I saw that, Econ. Good job. Were you in it, Econ, at all, or no? Andres is on VRNA. Yeah, I don't either, but I've been staying later recently. And that's when I'm not streaming. So if you guys want to keep chatting and trading, I do hang out on my Discord, and I'm in over there. Andres, Mersa, Isaiah, Ape Trades, Zach are in there. John is in there now. John's gonna join us for Power Hour, right, John? VLDR. No. No, I don't know. I think a lot of these 5 minute flags have to be over VWAP because then you know people are gonna look at them and try to take the trade, right? But if it's under VWAP, maybe not. But actually, this one I had a trade yesterday. I had a trade on this one yesterday. Right here, look at that. On VLDR, but it was a small share size. That was a decent small trade. Had no volume, but I saw that pullback there and I jumped in on it. Ooh, VRNA knife down. Kind of. With big volume too. This 5 minute candle just started at like 2-3 minutes ago, and this already has more volume than the last 4 5 minute candles. Okay, yeah. You ever consider doing afternoon streams? I might, but it's probably not a thing that I would do every day. You know, I don't like being here all day, literally hanging out, trading all day long. And a lot of the times in the afternoons, like I'm walking around, I'm playing with my dog, feeding them, cleaning the house, doing all these stuff, and then I kind of just come in here. I'm like, is there anything moving? No, and then I go back out. You know, so it's not like I'm sitting here like in the morning actively trading it. But I might, if I ever go to pay to. All right, guys, I'm out. This week sucks. Hey, Vic, you're doing the right thing, man. Trust me. You're still learning. You're getting there. If you're getting frustrated, just walk away. You have so many more days to trade, man. And I could see the dedication that you want this to work, and you have. I saw your plan yesterday. Just be smart in the brain. Be smart in the head, man. Be smart in the head, and you'll get there. Ape Trade's also heading out. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I saw a quote yesterday. Somebody said it that day trading is not a skill. It's not a talent. Oh, it's a skill. It's not a talent. Like, you know, I mean, somebody has to be talented to play football. You know, you gotta be big. You gotta have certain trades. Somebody has to be lanky and stuff to play basketball. You know, somebody has to be athletic to play other sports. Right? But talent in day trading. I mean, maybe visual guys. I'm a visual guy. Maybe it helps. But there's other ways, right? Look at the numbers. Look at the charts. Look at level two. Different ways to trade it. You know. But I saw a quote yesterday that said something like, "Day trading is not a talent-based thing. It's more like whoever lasts the longest will succeed." It was literally like the more you study it, the more you watch it, the more experience you get, the more you don't give up, the more likely you'll be to succeed. And I think that's true. I think day trading it's possible for everybody. You just have to keep trying it. You just have to not give up, and you have to not blow up your account. John is short on MTTR. I like it. Could you have shorted PACB? PACB is easy to borrow? Guys, PACB is easy to borrow on Thinkorswim. How do we not see this? Kasi is halted. Somebody on YouTube called it out. That was D. No, your name is D. Okay. Bro, PACB is freaking easy to borrow. I would have shorted it up here. When you lose that uptrend. Right there. Oh, that's another trade, Vic. Right here, look. You're on the back end of it. Or you tried catching a dip, you're on the back end of it. VRNA actually held that a little bit of a pullback that it had. As a matter of fact, it touched down. It came down and touched a perfect pivot. 1.5 million short available on interactive brokers. Holy crap! John, you should called. You should have jumped in on VRNA since the morning. You called it pre-market. Oh, you keep trying to buy it, and it keeps not letting you. Then that sucks. I see blue on my momentum scanners. Let's see what blue has to do. Bro, I seriously have to clear my watch list because I already have it somewhere. There it is. Blue. Blue. Several 5-minute flags on this thing. VRNA definitely picking up volume now, John. Gotta be one to watch out. I'm watching blue as well. Blue is heading up to 200 moving average, up at 683. That can't be right. 713. I like blue, guys. What BRNA volume keep incoming, $14 closer. What do y'all guys think of blue? Kind of pivot here at 676 place. Looking for $7 break on blue, and 713 is 200 moving average. What do you guys think of this one? I got the bottom of this candle on blue, but I'm seeing that 5-minute has a lot of volume this time. And it kind of almost looks like we're going on the back end, so So VRNA is picking up volume, you guys say? MTTR, you're covering your short? Awesome. Oh, nice short, man. Do you always close out all of your shorts, John? You never let them SDC, you never let them ride down? Oh, look at SDC. SDC 223 high, or 223 moving average. 200 moving average at 223. And then $2 break, we already got it. But we're bouncing off $2, I think. I think when you're short, John, you ought to leave a fourth or a fifth of your position. Let it run, man. Some of these shorts just fade all day. And I'm telling you, oh, look at SDC. Pulled back aggressive. Wait, somebody else said a different stock. VRNA, SDC. Oh no, y'all guys said the same one. VRNA. I think it's easier to ride a stock down than it is to ride a stock all the way up. I think you get a stock that fades dollars every single day, and then a stock that rides up dollars maybe once a week, twice a month. No, I think what counts as a trade is buying, and then selling. That's two trades. But if you buy it once and then you sell, 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 that's still one trade. I don't think so. So it's backwards. Buy, buy, sell is one instead of buy, sell, sell, sell is one. That sucks. I always thought it was the other way around. Wait, so John, you've been playing it with a margin account under PET rule, right? You haven't done a. Oh, it's because you short. I was gonna say you haven't tried a cash account, but then you wouldn't be able to short. Hey, check me out, boys. Check me out on Blue, boys. I'm looking for $7 break on this one. But see, this is when I'm like, do I put a stop now at break even? I guess I can. No, 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 no way to lose and profit to make there. Yeah, yeah, that's what I was saying. I was like, you haven't. If you try to cash account, you could trade more, um, and then that way you can trade a lot more with a cash account. SDC. Oh, SDC kind of recovered still. Just bronze about to dip at 185 on SDC. Nice. Quickly scanning through everything else, seeing if I'm missing something. VRNA, that 12.9 is strong. I don't even know where that line is from. I don't know why I had this line this day, but apparently it's even holding now. I guess it's probably closer to $13. Yeah, it's $13. Bro, I was pulling weeds and I got a blister. Oh, Apechit had a blister yesterday too on his index finger. Looks like things are starting to slow down, and then it's gonna rip in the afternoon. What's up, Stormy? You're here to say hi to people? No, you cannot lay on my keyboard. You're gonna buy the stock, cat. You deleted a ticker. What ticker was it? This is how I have to trade, guys. Look at this. This is how I have to trade. Y'all see this? Right. Bro, this camera is a pain in the butt to readjust. Okay. What did I miss? It's also getting hot. I'm still in on blue. Surprisingly, that dip buy on blue is working out pretty good. I'm up $80 on it, but I only bought 1,000 shares on this thing, and I'm letting it ride. I have a stop now above break even, so I'm gonna make money on it either way. It's not a lot. How many monitors do you use for trading? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 monitors. Oh, it looks like I'm about to stop out on blue. $10 profit. I have 4 monitors. I think those $10 actually got me over $700 profit though. Yeah, I'm at $700.04. I have 4 monitors. D, 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 D. Morning seems to be slowing down, but I will say that the afternoon has been the hot market recently, so I might get off for now and then keep an eye on it. And then if oh, look at blue faded after my stop. Good thing I had to stop. Stop out STC, you stopped out? Okay, yeah. I stopped out on the other one too, but it's okay. SPY keeps crashing. I think I might call it. Here's my profit for today. And then yesterday, I think I ended the stream when I was up like $100, but I ended up making 300 yesterday. Oh, these are the calls that I closed for like $200 or $300 profit. But today I dug myself out of a hole. I was down probably $500-600 and I made 700. If I wouldn't have lost that VRU, I'd be up 1.5-ish, 1.3, 1.4. And if anything, I would have held that VRU down. I would have been killing it. I would have been up there with sniper trace profit. VRU, I'm kind of frustrated about this one. I jumped in it right here, right there, and I stopped out right there. Oh well. Any questions you guys have? Anything done for the day? I keep my $100 big for me. Hey, there you go. That's a good win, Alvanar. $100 is pretty good, man. It's pretty good. BRCC. Oh, what the? $10? This thing had a nice resistance at 983. 983 is strong. Look at the daily and look at the 4 hours. Look at 983 double top twice. What is this? 1038. So 983 might be a nice place to hold the stock, uh, and then take that trade from 983 to 10. Good job to Elvinar. Good job. Good job. Break that resistance and fireworks. Esperanza down 254 today. Is that a big loss? Is that a small loss? But that's okay. Small loss. There you go. Alright, now we're good. Now we're good. Now we're good. Good job, Esperanza. Keeping it small, though. So, maybe be patient, and if you see something at the end of the day, you take it. If not, then that's it. Come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Michael Jacob Saldivar. Hi, I would like to learn how to day trade. Hey, just subscribe to my YouTube and then follow me on my Instagram. And I'm putting out a course on Monday, and you might get it for free if I end up picking you as a winner. I'm gonna pick it on Sunday night, and then I'm gonna pick one winner on Sunday night, and they'll get the course for free. If not, then you can always buy the course on Monday, and that will have everything you need to learn how to day trade, and then I'll be there to help you. But I think I'm gonna call it, guys. Michael, if you have any questions though, for now I can always help you for free. If you start learning on your own, I'll help you for free. Join my Discord as well. It should be under the YouTube description. There should be a link there for my Discord. A lot of us are in there as well. So any questions you have, let us know in there, and we'll help you out. Sounds good, Michael. Sounds good. Looking at BRCC though, over that 983 level here. If this thing had volume, this thing would have ripped already. Awesome, Michael. Sounds good. And VRNA. VRNA refuses to die. It's like a cockroach, bro. Look at VRNA, little pullback here, down to 1232's kind of pivot there. Andres, you're not trading in the afternoon? Oh, well, you said see you tomorrow, and you always say see you on the Discord, if not tomorrow. And so right now you said see you tomorrow, so I was like, wait a second. John's finally joining us in the afternoon, and you're gonna leave him hanging? Just kidding. I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day, guys. If you guys do keep trading, Lang was there yesterday too, and Lang posted a trade. And I kid you not, when he posted his trade, I looked at it and I was like, this thing it might be on the back end. Zach looked at it and was like, dude, nobody's buying down here. And then it goes down, Bill's laying in, and goes up $1.50 after that. I was like, what the heck just happened? It was like a buzzer beater, like in the last like 4 minutes of the market close. Man, that was crazy. I straight up, when you posted that, I was like, oh, this thing is gonna either halt down, or he's gonna get stuck in a halt into market close. It's gonna dump or something, man. And that thing just sniped you in, and then rode. Alright, guys. I will see you guys on Discord if I keep trading. I got family coming in this weekend, so I gotta clean the house too. Not that my house is dirty, but just, wife makes you do things, and you gotta do them. All right, guys, y'all take care. I think we all traded pretty good today. We had some nice moves. We had some nice dips again. I was not patient on some of them, but they worked out. And overall, I think we did pretty good as a team again, man. We've been killing it recently. We have been killing it, working together and making money together. So, if you're red today, don't worry about it. Small red day, that's fine. You'll get it back tomorrow. But good trading. Yeah, yeah. All right, guys. Y'all take care, and I will see you guys tomorrow. And I'll try to get a recap done today. So, and coincidentally, I made money, and I'm making a recap, right? But I'll cover the last 2 days on it as well. Yeah, yeah, and do it on the Discord as well. Do it on the Discord. Do it on the Discord as well. Post your profits and losses on that Discord as well, and on here, just so we guys can see how we're all doing. How we're all doing it. All right, guys. Y'all take care. Y'all have a good day, rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you guys all watching and staying all the way to the end. I will see y'all then.